Found a great Klarna coupon code and want to know how to actually use it? In this final guide of our series, I'll show you the simple steps to redeem codes and score an even better deal on your purchases. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Everyone loves extra savings, and using a Klarna coupon is a fantastic way to get them. Let me show you exactly where to plug in those codes. First, know where to find these codes. Klarna often promotes special offers directly within their app. So, open the app and check the Offers or Deals section on the home screen. You can also find promo codes through Klarna's social media channels or from your favorite influencers' affiliate links. Now, for the redemption process, you have two main paths. The first and easiest method is when you're shopping directly through the Klarna app's shopping browser. When you find a store and select your items, you'll often see a "Got a promo code" box right on the Klarna checkout page. Just paste your code there before you finalize your Pay in 4 plan. The second method works with the Klarna browser extension. If you've installed the Klarna extension on Chrome, Safari, or Firefox, it will automatically activate on supported retailer sites. As you shop, the extension will not only show your installment plan but also often has a field where you can apply any store-specific coupon codes. It applies both discounts seamlessly. A crucial pro tip: always read the fine print. Klarna coupon codes might be for specific stores, have a minimum spend requirement, or exclude certain sale items. If your code doesn't work, double-check the terms to make sure your cart meets all the conditions. And that wraps up our massive series on mastering Klarna. From creating your account to snagging discounts, you're now a savvy shopper. If this entire series saved you money and stress, please give this video a thumbs up. Which Klarna tutorial was the most helpful for you? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more easy-to-follow financial guides. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping.